Guys, kami ito guys ng buhok po kami ngayon isang araw yung pa lang guys, your familiars and that your farms to say your mga baras or bato yan, your sides or your hollow blocks just there. Wow, and stoner. Okay, dito naman kami guys. Kaya ito guys, yung father na ay papahabain namin kasi ito guys, palibot yan. Oh, yan talaga. Yan, the followers. Yan. Orga sound is right side. You're so wow. Yung guys, yung mga hollow blocks kakabasag yan kasi hindi na siya nagagamit. Ito mga sako guys, yan talaga guys. Oh my god, nandito na kami guys. Oh my god, guys, version mo may vlog. Hal vlog guys, yan hal vlogs or sako or kalo. Yeah, these times further nagagawa namin to your pala your pino guys, to yung tuna na guys, your wife are guys, your ha? Oh. Hi guys, mag-alog po ako ngayon dito. Ito guys, okay. Sakit yun guys. Bye bye, good night.